Hello, good morning everybody. I just want to flex the presents I get from of course, first from my daughter, Sabrina. So, yeah, this is the card she made. Of course, may filter tayo mga jay. Ayan, as you can see, Happy Mother's Day. And when you open it, ta-da! O, diba? How thoughtful, how sweet. I don't know if you can read the message, but I'm gonna read it for you, of course. It says, Happy Mother's Day, Mama. I love you so much. Kahit pasaway ako, ma, naiintindihan. Yan, iniintindi pa din kita kahit lagi kang stress, maganda ka pa din. I love you, Mama. Ayan. So, ito yung sinasabi niya. So cute. O, diba? Ang cute-cute. Ayan. Siyempre, wala pa akong supply. Hindi pa nga ako nakahilangan sa kaligo, kaya filter tayo. So, next, ito naman yung gawa niya kahapon sa church. Ito yun, gawa niya sa church. Ayan. So, beautiful. So, diba? Ang sweet ng aking anak. Hindi siya klaro. Yan. Pero syempre, babasahin natin. Wishing you all the love in the world on Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day. Ayan, sabi niya. Ito yung totoong effort. Ayan. Ayan. So, diba? Ang galing. Thank you so much.